Aloha. Here's what you're gonna need if you want to do your own graphics on your car. The first thing you're gonna need to do is clean the surface thoroughly to get rid of any contaminants like wax, grease, dirt, and dust. This is what I use. You can use Kleanz-Easy. You can get that at Napa, or you can use rubbing alcohol. That works as well. Okay, you can see here I have some Kleanz-Easy in a spray bottle, and I have some soapy water. All you need is to add just a few drops of like Dawn dish detergent and the rest water. It doesn't have to be really soapy. You're gonna need a rag for the Kleanz-Easy, and then you're gonna need another rag for the soapy water solution. You're gonna need an applicator with a felt side and a razor blade knife to get the graphic off cleanly. And that's pretty much what you need to get ready. Your greatest enemy for doing it yourself vinyl is dust particles that get on the surface and then get stuck onto the adhesive of the vinyl strip. It's almost impossible to get it off once it's on. Aloha and stay safe.